Hulo! What's all the excitement about? It's Kamehameha Publishing's new game called Hulo that will stretch your Hawaiian vocabulary. The object of Hulo is to arrange wooden letters crossword puzzle style to form Hawaiian words. Hulo is themed after the Hawaiian Nupepa, or newspapers, where okina and kahako were not used. Playing Hulo is fast and easy. First, take out all the pieces and put them face down in the middle of a table. Each person then draws 16 pieces. Start gameplay by calling out ho'onoho.
Ho'onoho.
Turn over your pieces and arrange them to make Hawaiian words, crossword style. Each player creates their own crossword. When a player uses all 16 pieces, he or she shouts ki'i. Everyone then draws a new piece from the center pile to be used in their crossword. This happens continually each time a player uses the pieces in their possession.
Ki'i. Ki'i.
Wait, I lost track.
Oh man, come on! Ki'i.
Mai poina, don't forget, you can rearrange your letters at any time as needed, so be creative. When all the pieces from the center pile are taken, or when there are less tiles than players, the player to first complete his or her crossword yells, Hulo!
Hulo!
Oh, I was so going to throw a coup on you too.
But there's a catch to the win. You must pronounce and define all the hua'ōlelo, or words, in your crossword correctly.
Puke as in book. Ke'e is in crooked.
If one of your words is heva, or invalid, the game resumes until the next person yells, Hulo! Kōkua is always welcome, so go ahead and help each other out.
And ihi. I don't ihi. Ihi couple. Ihi couple. Gosh. Help me on here, guys. I need help. Here, keep me in line.
Hawai'i.
Oh yeah, like respect. Yeah, respect. Okay.